this is your first time of watching my channel, kindly press that subscription button and like. This is a food documentary as Olushola Reality and CampadventureAfrica decide to hike this waterfall. Guys, there is a lot to see. Come on. So you can come as a group. There's a place, you can see bush bar, you can actually do everything you want to do here. I mean, for food, drinks and all. So you can relax here too actually. Before you can see this group, I actually met them here and I just vibe with them a bit before going. So guys, so it's starting. Let's go. In Ekiti-State, and is actually separated from Ikogosi-Ekiti by an arm of Effon-Alaaye. So it's a smooth and well-tiled road branches of the main road that actually leads to Ikogosi Warm Spring and ascend the steep anticline behind, which lies the rustic Ipole-lloro enclave. So this thick forest is actually loom above the crevice and is kissing the sun-clad skies at the beautiful skyline. And the sound of plunging waters and smell of dense moisture actually fill the air. Like I was actually expelled, banned by my first glimpse of the alluring waterfall. So beautiful. Okay, so the best time to actually visit here is during the rainy season and be ready for stable weather condition. I mean, this minute can be raining, the next minute can stop raining, the following minute it can be raining. That's how fun it can be, but so sweet and so fun. Guys, here is the waterfall, but come on, that's not all. Still stay tuned. There is still a long journey. I mean, I don't want to know where this water is coming from. It's worth knowing, right? But come on, this water is so beautiful. guys, here is on our way to visit the 7 cascades of Arinta Waterfall. Yeah guys, so let's go and track, let's go and trace, let's go on trail. Yep. So as you can see, the large rock boulders and giant fern vegetations, adopted foot slopes and plunge pools of the waterfall. I mean, in an instant. So what do you expect? My son actually became overwhelmed with how well as I beheld one of the most beautiful sights. Like, this is so beautiful, and wow, I mean the 7 cascades of Arinta Waterfalls. I mean, don't want you to see now. So this is so beautiful, and what sightseeing. I mean, you feel like, does it want all this stress and all? Well, it does actually.
So it's not this late again.
Okay, so the fun of it is that if you want to come here, don't come here alone. I mean, that's the fun of it. You have to come here in group. Imagine if you are the only one doing all this, walking up and down, and it will not be okay enough. Well, you can, depends on you, but me, no. So this is another place for where you can relax. I mean, go and rope and also, but don't worry, very safe actually. If you are yet to press that subscription button, like and comment, don't forget to do that. Thank you.